How to buy deal with it token. So this token came under the symbol of DWIT. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards from crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created by 4 hours ago and it's increased by 8,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's mini investment in a safe place. This token, it's trending number 17 in the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your fund to manage for that. Now click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom because most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy DWIT token. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. See you in the next video.